program, we had our program and also floral opening. Katulad ng ginawa natin this morning. In honor or to give honor to our hero, Francisco Macabulos, who his bravery and also his greatness and serve as Tarlac Pride. In that way, we can also, as Madam Rivas told a while ago, we can also be a hero like Francisco Macabulos in our own way. Hindi natin kailangan mag-live. Hindi ang hero. Kailangan lang natin
Kumakita.
tignan mamaya na yan. Okay? So, on behalf of Social Studies Department, headed by our very energetic and very gorgeous department head,
Gorgeous.
gratitude to all the parents, people in the school, and also the community, and of course, the students who showcase their talent and also their uniqueness in dancing in this stage.
Josephine.
And we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks sa mga estudyante na nagpakita ng kanilang mga talento, lalo na sa mga socio-cultural club, and also sa mga Boy Scout, maraming salamat sa inyo at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Bigyan mo naman.
Eh, di mawawala yung mukha ni Justin.
Budayas level na ba?
Mawawala yung itsura ni Justin.
Hindi mawawala si Justin na. Wala na. Hindi namin kinukuha.